What's good, Smoking RC? Long time no talk. Now, we're not gone, we're just over on the TikTok, so when we're done with this video, go check us out. But I wanted to make this video today because we got something new and exciting, something we've never gotten into before. It's fast, it rides on two wheels, and it's right over... Austin, get out the way.
Sorry.
That was Austin, he's grown up a lot. It's right over there. This is the Losi ProMoto dirt bike. It's a brushless 2S system. It comes with a working gyro to help it stay balanced, and it's just an awesome addition to our fleet. Now, everything on this dirt bike is true to the legit bike in real life. There's 3 additions. There's a green ready to run that comes with a battery and charger. There's a red version, and then there's this blue version, which is the rider Jeremy Martin. Before we go tearing into this thing, I just want to shout out Extreme RC Hobbies of Vero Beach. They always hook us up, and they always got the parts we need for our RCs.
All right, first glance, this thing is awesome and so realistic. I mean, from the internal springs in the front fork to the real metal sprocket in the back and chain too. The suspension travel is legit. I mean, we can't wait to get this thing out and ripping. And that's just what we're gonna do. Because looks are cool and all, but we gotta see how it runs. I'm really excited to try this new gyro system out that they have in it. So we're gonna go ahead and charge this 2S 50C battery up, and we'll meet you out there.
All right, guys, we waited a couple days to drive this thing because, well, we're out here camping and there's this huge open field out there. Come check this out. It's gonna be plenty of room to do all our driving. I even rigged the cornhole set to be a jump. You know, I had to stick them on blocks. Here, just to show the size of this thing, this is it next to the Losi DBXL-E. Let's turn this gyro on.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, that only ran out of the wheels over there.
This thing is so awesome, we're gonna need so many more batteries.
All right, guys, we are back at Smoking RC headquarters, and we are already getting ready to charge up some more batteries because it was just that much fun. The gyro on this motorcycle really made the words on that box true. It is the first RC motorcycle that actually works. The stability on it was just insane. In that rough grass with the potholes in it, between the suspension and that gyro, it had no issues at all. They really made it the right size. It's a ton of fun and it's the right price. I mean, you see how expensive RCs can get, and at $549, I think it's a fair price for what it is. I was a little worried, but there's a ton of upgrades out there. So even if there was an issue, there's ways to fix it. So stay tuned for those videos. We appreciate you guys tuning in. And until the next time, we'll check you.